Hello and welcome to CDEC 1356 Emergent Literacy. I'm your professor, Dr. Jennifer Kwong, and I want to welcome you to the first 8 weeks of spring 2021. In this class, we're going to be looking at how children learn to read and write and how we can developmentally appropriate support them in their learning. So I'm going to go over the first week and our activities. So we're going to click on modules. And I want to introduce you to the Start Here module where there is a welcome video. In this, we're going to go more in depth in the syllabus, where things are located, how the course is designed. And so that's where that detailed information is going to be found. You can open and close the tabs. This course does require 16 hours of field experience. However, due to the pandemic, we won't be going into classrooms. We will be completing our field experience through videos and through interactions with children that you may have access to, birth to age 8. If there's some situations, then definitely email me and we will problem solve that together. When we come to week 1, we're going to be looking at introductions. Things are going to be due on Fridays in this course. Each week there is a weekly module where there will be a video. You can see last fall's video, a list of the assignments, and then usually there'll be course content that will be next. But as we dive in to know the course and each other, we're going to start with an orientation quiz. So this is a PDF of the actual questions. You can print it out and answer them as well. One of the things is there's going to be, I believe, 20 questions. Yes, and then the last 5 are going to relate to the safety video. When you click on that, it will take you to the college's safety video. Even though we may not be meeting face-to-face, they do want you to be aware of our safety protocols. You have 2 attempts at each quiz. And then we have a NAEYC standards quiz. So our program is a NAEYC accredited program, and these are standards that when you enter our program, by the time you graduate, you will have knowledge and experience in these 7 standards. Here is the PDF. And in addition, when you go to modules and start here, there is a whole page that links you to the Texas and the national websites, the 7 standards again, and then our conceptual framework. And these are our values of how we design our program to help you master these 7 standards. Within the quiz, it is a test bank, so you may not, when you take it, if you choose 2 attempts, may not get the same questions the second time. For the learning contract quiz, there's 6 questions. And so if you are currently working in a child care center and you will be working with those kids to complete the field experiences, you will note that as well. If not, then you'll be writing video. And so when you take the quiz, you'll go in, hit true, and then this is where you'll tell me if you're in a child care center, if you will have access to children, or you'll be watching videos, and then you'll submit the quiz. The last thing is going to be the introductions to the class. And in this, you have 3 options where you can type an introduction and upload a picture, where you can upload some artwork that represents you and explain it, or you can create a video. In it, your name, your major, if you are currently working with kids, and where, what ages. And then what I want you to do is tell us a story of how you remember learning how to read and write. And so we always take the knowledge we have and connect it to what we already know. So let's start pulling those memories together and seeing how different ways children learn and how we learned ourselves. Come back and welcome at least 2 other people to the class. In order to receive full credit, posts must be done on 2 different days. Here is a video, if this is your first time uploading a picture into a discussion board, a video that I did to show you how to do that. By the time you see the video, my introduction will be here as well with my experiences. So welcome to the course, and I look forward to exploring literacy with each of you.